Working on the 22R Toyota engine. We have the front damper pulley off and the oil seal out, the front main seal. It was leaking pretty bad. I have a new seal that should fix the problem. Right there's the oil pump. The damper pulley goes right over that with the seal, and it'll hopefully stop the leak. Okay, moving on down the truck. We have the box off, and the frame isn't as bad as I thought it would be. There's a couple rust holes that we're going to plate. We're going to use a rust inhibitor, grind down the frame, plate it, and prep it for paint so we can put the box back on. Truck's not as bad as I thought it would be. Right here is the box. That's also savable. We have some rust to deal with, which we'll give that a quick sandblast. Some rust inhibitor, some rust inhibiting primer, and some paint. Get the box back in shape. At least we have something to work with. We removed the gas tank, which is in good shape, surprisingly. And inside the box is good. There's like one little hole in it. We're going to replace all the brake lines. Everything that we can do while the box is off, we're going to do. Brake lines, frame, painting, change shocks. We have a brand new exhaust system front to back. Bringing this truck back to life. To help us with that, we just bought a new Hobart 210 MVP welder, MIG welder, and a roll of wire, tips, the whole deal. So now all we have to do is get to work. Stay with us and keep an eye on our progress. Okay, here's the new Hobart 210 MVP. It's a 115 and a 220 welder. It's got gas capability and flux core wire capability. It also has a special plug that you can use, depending where you're at. You can use the 110 voltage or the 220. It's just a screw-on adapter. It adapts to the same plug, the same wire, just two different plugs, and the machine itself, the welder, automatically knows what voltage it's running, and it adjusts that itself. It's got a 10-foot lead both on the ground and on the MIG gun, and you can use a hand spool feed. So if you want to weld aluminum, it's easy. You just use the small rolls for the aluminum, and it's a 1, 2, 3 setup, easy and efficient. The reason we bought this welder was it priced at around $899, and it can weld, like I said, the 115 or the 220 voltage. It'll also weld up to 3/8 steel or as thin as 24 gauge steel. So it's versatile. And for our truck project, the frame, this welder will do nicely. Here's the truck Toyota project so far. We ground the frame down with the grinder and then a wire wheel. It's called a loose rust scale off the frame. Then we coated the entire frame with a rust remover. This leaves a zinc phosphate coating, turns the frame a little bit silverish gray, but stops all the rust. And we cut out all the cancer and removed all the dirt from inside the frame. Use the shop vac to clean it. After that, we started the welding patches. Steel patches welded top and bottom. It's quite solid.